From WRAO News and the Capital Broadcasting Podcast Network, this is your coronavirus news brief for Friday, March 12th. I'm David Crabtree. People with chronic health conditions that put them at higher risk for COVID, such as high blood pressure, obesity, or diabetes, will soon be able to be vaccinated against the virus. These groups are more susceptible to severe illness from COVID-19. On Thursday, Governor Cooper said the faster rollout now made possible by increasing supply of the 3 approved vaccines, along with providers working to get the shots into the arms of North Carolinians.
This move to Group 4 is good news, and it's possible because of the tireless work of our state health officials, vaccine providers, federal partners, our North Carolina National Guard and Emergency Management, and so many others. And I want you to know that your work is making all the difference.
WRAL's Joe Fisher now with the specifics of who is eligible.
Another wave of people become eligible for a COVID vaccine starting next Wednesday.
I am in Group 4 because I am a type 2 diabetic.
Including those with high-risk conditions like diabetes, asthma, and heart disease.
100% good news because, like I was just saying, I haven't been able to hang out with family or friends or anything or really do anything except come to the store. And
Group 4 also includes those who are overweight, a factor that's been linked to more serious illness with COVID.
I don't know the specific sort of physiology for why an obese patient might do less well with COVID, but it's undeniably been our experience, I think both here at Duke and then when we look at the data nationally and internationally, that it is one of the risk factors for doing worse with COVID.
North Carolina will move to Group 4 a week earlier than planned. In Chatham County, more than 1,000 people have pre-registered.
So the demand for our clinics remains high.
Health Director Michael Zellick says Group 3 appointments are still booked. Some counties, however, like Johnston, Vance, and Granville, have already started vaccinating Group 4. As supply starts to catch up to demand, many people are still hesitant to roll up their sleeve.
I'm just scared to get it, that's all. I just don't want that to happen. I'm just scared to get it.
Essential workers who fall under the Group 4 umbrella, like some retail and hotel workers, as well as financial services, will have to wait until April 7th for eligibility. This week, we also learned Merck in North Durham will be helping with Johnson & Johnson's vaccine production. And the big national headline as we close out the week, President Biden signing the $1.9 trillion stimulus package, which includes $1,400 checks for many Americans. As always, thanks for listening, and a little plug. You can listen to complete WRAO newscast in podcast form. Subscribe to WRAO News Daily wherever you listen to podcasts. We post 5 newscasts each weekday and 2 on the weekends. You'll get all the news, weather, and sports you would normally get on television in audio form. Just search WRAO News Daily. For the Coronavirus News Brief, I'm David Crabtree.